Discourses 3.
Ambattha
With butter.
Evam me sutang.
So I have heard.
Ekang samayang bhagava kosalesu charikang charamano mahata भिक्खुसंघेना सदिडिंग पंचमत्ते ही भिक्खुसते ही येना इच्छानंगलंग नाम कोसलानंग ब्राह्मणगामो तदवसरि.
At one time the Buddha was wandering in the land of the Kosalans, together with a large Sangha of 500 mendicants when he arrived at a village of the Kosalan Brahmins, named Ichanangala.
तत्र सुदं भगवा इच्छानंगले विहरति इच्छानंगलवनसंडे.
He stayed in a forest near Ichanangala.
Pukharasativathu.
1. The section on Pokharasati.
तेना अखो पन समयेन ब्राह्मणो पुखरसाति उक्कठं अजावसति सतुसदं सतृणकठोदकं सडन्यन्यं राजभोगं रनन्या पसेन दिना कोसलेन दिन्नं राजदायं ब्रह्मदेयं.
Now at that time the Brahmin, Pokharasati, was living in Ukkata. It was a crown property given by King Pasenadi of Kosala, teeming with living creatures, full of hay, wood, water, and grain, a royal park endowed to a Brahmin.
Asusi kho brahmano pokharasati.
Pokharasati heard.
Samano khalu bho gotamo sakyaputto sakyakula pabajito kosalesu charikang charamano mahata भिक्खुसंघेन सदिडिंग पंचमत्ते ही भिक्खुसते ही इच्छानंगलंग अनुपत्तो इच्छानंगले विहरति इच्छानंगलवनसंडे.
It seems the ascetic Gautama, a Satyan, gone forth from a Satyan family, has arrived at Ichanangala, and is staying in a forest nearby.
तंग खो पन भवंतंग गोतमंग एवं कल्याणो कित्ते सद्दो अभुगतो.
He has this good reputation.
इतिपि सो भगवा अरहंग सम्मा संबुड्डो विजाचरण संपन्नो सुगतो लोकविदु अनुत्तरो पुरिसदम सारथि सत्था देवमनुसानंग बुड्डो भगवा.
That blessed one is perfected, a fully awakened Buddha, accomplished in knowledge and conduct, holy, knower of the world, supreme guide for those fit for training, teacher of gods and humans, awakened, blessed.
So, imang, lokang, sadevakam, samarakang, sabrahamakang, sasamarabrahamaring, pajang, sadevamanusang, sayang, abhinyanya, sachaikatva, pavedeti.
He has realized with his own insight this world, with its gods, maras, and divinities, this population with its ascetics and Brahmins, gods and humans, and he makes it known to others.
So, dhammang, deseti, adikalyanang, majje kalyanang, paryosana kalyanang, sathang, sabyanyajanang, kevala paripurnang, parisuddhang, brahmacharyang, pakaseti.
He proclaims a teaching that is good in the beginning, good in the middle, and good in the end, meaningful and well phrased, and he reveals a spiritual practice that's entirely full and pure.
Sadhu, kho, pana, tatharupanang, arahatang, dasanang, hoti.
It's good to see such perfected ones.
Ambattamarav.
2. The student Ambutta.
Tena kho, pan, samayena brahmanassa, pukharasatissa, ambattho, nama manavo, antevasi, hoti, ajayako, mantadaro, tinang, vedanang, paragu, sanighanduketubhanang, sakharapabhedanang, itihasapanchamanang, padako, व्याकरणो लोकायत महापुरुषलक्षणेषु अन्नवयो अनुन्यातपटन्यातो सके आचर्यके ते विज्ञके पावचने.
Now at that time Pokharasati had a student named Ambutta as his resident pupil. He was one who recited and remembered the hymns, and had mastered in the three Vedas, together with their vocabularies and ritual performance, their phonology and word classification, and the testaments as fifth. He knew them word by word, and their grammar. He was well versed in cosmology and the marks of a great man. He had been authorized as a master in his own tutor's scriptural heritage of the three Vedas, with the words,
Yamahang, Janame, Tang, Tvang, Janasi.
What I know, you know.
Yang, Tvang, Janasi, Tamahang, Janame.
And what you know, I know.
अथाखो ब्राह्मणो पुखरसाति अम्बट्ठं माणवम् आमन्तेसि.
Then Pokkarasati addressed Ambutta.
अयं ताता अम्बट्ठा समणो गोतमो सक्यपुत्तो सक्यकुला पब्बजितो कोसलेसु चारिकं चरमानो महता भिक्खुसंघेन सदृङ् पंचमत्तेहि भिक्खुसतेहि इच्छानङ्गलं अनुपत्तो इच्छानङ्गले विहरति इच्छानङ्गलवनसण्डे.
Dear Ambutta, the ascetic Gotama, a Sakyan, gone forth from a Sakyan family, has arrived at Ichanangala, and is staying in a forest nearby.
तंग खो पन भवंतंग गोतमंग एवं कल्याणो कित्ते सद्दो अभुगतो.
He has this good reputation.
इतिपि सो भगवा अरहंग सम्मा संबुड्डो विजाचरण संपन्नो सुगतो लोकविदु अनुत्तरो पुरिसदम्मसारथि सत्था देवमनुसानं बुड्डो भगवा. सो इमं लोकंग सदेवकं समारकं सब्रह्मकं सस्मरणब्राह्मणिं पजं सदेवमनुसंग सयं अभिन्यन्या सच्छैकत्वा पवेदेति. सो धम्मं देसेति आदिकल्याणंग मज्जे कल्याणंग पर्योसान कल्याणंग साथंग सभ्यनिजनंग केवल परिपूर्णंग परिसुड्डंग ब्रह्मचर्यंग पकासेति. साडू खो पन तथारूपानंग अरहतंग दस्सनंग होतीति.
It's good to see such perfected ones.
एहि त्वंग ताता अम्बट्ठा येन समणो गोतमो तेनुपसंकम उपसंकमित्वा समणं गोतमं जानाहि यदि वा तंग भवन्तंग गोतमं तथा सन्तन्येव सद्दो अभुगतो यदि वा नो तथा.
Please, dear Ambutta, go to the ascetic Gotama, and find out whether or not he lives up to his reputation.
यदि वा सो भवं गोतमो तादिसो यदि वा न तादिसो तथा मयंग तंग भवन्तंग गोतमं वेदिस्सामाति.
Through you I shall learn about the worthy Gotama.
यथा कथंग पनाहंग भो तंग भवंतंग गोतमंग जानस्सामि यदि वा तंग भवंतंग गोतमंग तथा संतन्येव सद्दो अभुगतो यदि वा नो तथा यदि वा सो भवम गोतमो तादिसो यदि वा न तादिसो ति.
But sir, how shall I find out whether or not the ascetic Gotama lives up to his reputation?
आगतानि खो तात अम्बट्ठा अम्हाकं मन्तेसु द्वत्तिंस महापुरुषलक्षणानि ये हि समन्नागतस्य महापुरुषस्य द्वे एव गतयो भवन्ति अनन्या.
Dear Umbutta, the 32 marks of a great man have been handed down in our hymns. A great man who possesses these has only two possible destinies, no other.
सचे अगारंग अजावसति राजा होती चक्रवर्ती धम्मिको धम्मराजा चातुरंतो विजितावी जनपदत्थावर्यपत्तो सत्तरतन समन्नागतो.
If he stays at home he becomes a king, a wheel-turning monarch, a just and principled king. His dominion extends to all four sides, he achieves stability in the country, and he possesses the 7 treasures.
तस्सिमानि सत्त रतनानि भवन्ति.
He has the following 7 treasures.
सेयत्हिदं चक्ररत्नंग हथिरत्नंग अस्सरत्नंग मणिरत्नंग इत्थिरत्नंग गहपतिरत्नंग परिणायकरत्नमेव सत्तमंग.
The wheel, the elephant, the horse, the jewel, the woman, the householder, and the commander as the 7th treasure.
परुसहस्संग खो पन्नस्स पुत्ता भवन्ति सुरा वीरंगरूपा परसेनपमद्दना.
He has over 1,000 sons who are valiant and heroic, crushing the armies of his enemies.
So, imang pathaving sagarapariyantang adandena asathena dhammena abhivijya ajavasati.
After conquering this land girt by sea, he reigns by principle, without rod or sword.
Sache kho pan agarasama anagaryang pabhajati arahang hoti samma sambuddho loke vivattachhado.
But if he goes forth from the lay life to homelessness, he becomes a perfected one, a fully awakened Buddha, who has cast off the world's veil.
ahang, kho, pan, tata, ambatha, mantanang, data.
But, dear Ambutta, I am the one who gives the hymns.
Tvam, mantanang, patigaheta, ti.
And you are the one who receives them.
Evang, bho, ti, kho, ambatho, manavo, brahmanassa, pokharasatissa, patisutva, utthayasana, brahmanang, pokharasating, abhivadetva, padakhinang, katva, valavarat hamaruyeha, sambahulehi, manavakehi, sadiding, yen. Ichhanangala vanasando, tena, payasi.
Yes, worthy sir, replied Ambutta. He got up from his seat, bowed, and respectfully circled Potkarasati, keeping him to his right. He mounted a chariot drawn by mares and, together with several young students, set out for the forest near Ichhanangala.
Yavatika, yanassa, bhumi, yanena, gantva, yana, pachorohitva, pattikova, aramang, pavisi.
He went by carriage as far as the terrain allowed, then descended and entered the monastery on foot.
Tena kho, pan, samayena, sambahula, bhikkhu, abhokase, chankamanti.
At that time several mendicants were walking mindfully in the open air.
Atha kho, ambatho, manavo, yena, te, bhikkhu, tenupasankami, upasankamitva, te, bhikkhu, etadavocha.
Then the student Ambutta went up to those mendicants and said,
Kahang, nu, kho, bho, etarahi, so, bhavam, gotamo, viharati.
Good fellows, where is the worthy Gotama, at present?
Tanyahi, mayang, bhavantang, gotamang, dasanaya, idupasankanta, ti.
For we have come here to see him.
Atha kho, te sang, bhikkhunang, etadahosi.
Then those mendicants thought,
Ayang, kho, ambatho, manavo, abhinyanyata kolanyanyo, cheva, abhinyanyatassa, cha brahmanassa, pokharasatissa, antevasi.
this Ambutta is from a well-known family, and he is the pupil of the well-known Brahmin, Potkarasati.
Agaru, kho, pan, bhagavato, evarupehi, Kulaputtehi, Sadiding, Kathasa Lapo, Hoti, Ti.
The Buddha won't mind having a discussion together with such gentlemen.
Te, Ambathang, Manavam, Etadavochung.
They said to Umbutta.
Eso, Ambatha, Viharo, Sangputadvaro, Tin, Appasaddo, Upasankamitva, Ataramano, Alindang, Pavisitva, Ukkasitva, Aggalang, Akutehi, Vivarissati, Te, Bhagava, Dwaran, Ti.
Umbutta, that's his dwelling, with the door closed. Approach it quietly, without hurrying. Go onto the porch, clear your throat, and knock on the door panel. The Buddha will open the door.
Atha Akho, Ambatho, Manavo, Yena, So, Viharo, Sangputadvaro, Tin, Appasaddo, Upasankamitva, Ataramano, Alindang, Pavisitva, Ukkasitva, Aggalang, Akutesi, Vivari, Bhagava, Dwarang.
So he approached the Buddha's dwelling, cleared his throat and knocked on the door panel, and the Buddha opened the door.
Pavisi, Ambatho, Manavo, Manavakapi, Pavisitva, Bhagavata, Sadiding, Samodingsu, Samodaniyang, Kathang, Saraniyang, Vitesaretva, Ekamantang, Nisidingsu.
Umbutta and the young students entered the dwelling. The young students exchanged greetings with the Buddha, and when the greetings and polite conversation were over, sat down to one side.
Ambatho, Pan, Manavo, Chankamantopi, Nisinena Bhagavata, Kanchi, Kathang, Saraniyang, Vitesareti, Hitopi, Nisinena Bhagavata, Kanchi, Kathang, Saraniyang, Vitesareti.
But while the Buddha was sitting, Umbutta spoke some polite words or other while walking around or standing.
Atha Akho, Bhagava, Ambathang, Manavang, Etadavocha.
So the Buddha said to him,
Evam, Nu, Te, Ambatha, Brahmanehi, Vuddehi, Mahallakehi, Acharyapacaryehi, Sadiding, Kathasa Lapo, Hoti, Yathaidang, Charang, Tithang, Nisinena, Maya, Kinchi, Kathang, Saraniyang, Vitesareti, Ti.
Umbutta, is this how you hold a discussion with elderly and senior Brahmins, the tutors of tutors, walking around or standing while I'm sitting, speaking some polite words or other?
पठमैभवाद
2.1 The first use of the word primitives.
No, Hidang, Bho, Gotama.
No, worthy Gotama.
Gachanto, Va, Hi, Bho, Gotama. Gachantena, Brahmano, Brahmanena, Sadiding. Salakpitumarahati, Thito, Va, Hi, Bho, Gotama. Thitena, Brahmano, Brahmanena, Sadiding. Salakpitumarahati, Nisino, Va, Hi, Bho, Gotama. Nisinena, Brahmano, ब्राह्मणेन सदिडिंग सलक्पितुमर्हति सयानो वा हि भो गोतम सयानेन ब्राह्मणो ब्राह्मणेन सदिडिंग सलक्पितुमर्हति.
For it is proper for one Brahmin to converse with another while both are walking, standing, sitting, or lying down.
ये चखो ते भो गोतम मुंडका समणका इभा कण्हा बंडुपादा पच्चा तेहिपि में सदिडिंग एवं कथासा लापो होती यथ हरिव भोता गोतमेना ति.
But as to these shavelings, fake ascetics, primitives, black spawn from the feet of our kinsmen, I converse with them as I do with the worthy Gotama.
अधिकवतो खो पन ते अम्बट्ठा इडागमनंग अहोसी येव खो पनत्थाय आगच्छेयाथा तमेव अत्थंग साडुकं मनसि करेयाथा.
But Umbutta, you must have come here for some purpose. You should focus on that.
अवोसीतवायेव खो पन भो अयंग अम्बट्ठो माणवो वुसीतमनि किमनिन्यत्र अवोसीतत्ता ति.
Though this Umbutta is unqualified, he thinks he's qualified. What is that but lack of qualifications?
अथ खो अम्बट्ठो मानवो भगवता अवोसीतवादेन वुच्यमानो कुपितो अनत्तमनो भगवन्तं येव खुंसेन्तो भगवन्तं येव वम्भेन्तो भगवन्तं येव उपवदमानो.
When he said this, Umbutta became angry and upset with the Buddha, because of being described as unqualified. He even attacked and badmouthed the Buddha himself, saying,
समणो च मे भो गोतमो पापितो भविष्यति ति भगवन्तं एतदवोचा.
The ascetic Gotama will be worsted. He said to the Buddha,
चंडा भो गोतम सक्य जाति
Worthy Gotama, the Sakyants are rude.
भरोसा भो गोतम सक्य जाति
Harsh.
लहुसा भो गोतम सक्य जाति
Touchy.
भस्सा भो गोतम सक्य जाति
And argumentative.
इब्भा संता इब्भा समाना न ब्राह्मणे सकरोन्ति न ब्राह्मणे गरोंग करोन्ति न ब्राह्मणे मानेन्ति न ब्राह्मणे पूजयन्ति न ब्राह्मणे अपचायन्ति
Primitive they are, and primitive they remain. They don't honor, respect, revere, worship, or venerate Brahmins.
तयीदंग भो गोतम न छन्नंग तयीदंग न पतिरूपंग यदि में सक्या इब्भा संता इब्भा समाना न ब्राह्मणे सकरोन्ति न ब्राह्मणे गरोंग करोन्ति न ब्राह्मणे मानेन्ति न ब्राह्मणे पूजयन्ति न ब्राह्मणे अपचायन्ति